Hey guys, I'm Dia and welcome to Freshers Camp. Hope you guys are doing great. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, that is the RBI Recruitment 2020. But before that, I want to tell you something about our channel. We provide latest updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of opportunities. We also provide some of the preparation materials for government jobs and campus placements. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you can get our latest updates. Now, the good news is RBI invites application for the role of consultant, data analyst, economist, risk analyst, IS auditor, specialist in forensic audit, account specialist, system administrator, project administrator and network administrator for 39 vacant posts. Candidates who have completed their BE, BTech, MTech, CA and PG degree can apply for this job. This work also requires relevant work experience, and also selection will be done by shortlisting and interview by the screening committee. The qualification is BE, BTech, MTech, CA and PG degree. Also the vacant posts are 39 and the salary is up to 33 LPA. Application is starting from 3rd August of 2020 and the last date to apply is 22nd of August 2020. And also the experience required is 3 to 5 years. You'll get a detailed list of experience required and the eligibility and qualification in the link given in our description. For general category and for OBC category, the marks required is 55%, and for SC, ST and PWD, the marks required is 50% for post-graduation degree. And for graduation degree, the marks required for general and OBC category is 60%, and for SC, ST and PWD it is 50%. Now the age limit for consultant, data analyst, risk analyst, economist, IS auditor, specialist forensic audit and account specialist is 30 to 40 years. And for system administrator, project administrator and network administrator it is 25 to 35 years. And again the total vacant posts are 39 and the application fee for general and OBC is 600 rupees and for SC, ST and PWD it is 100 rupees. You can actually find the whole detailed list of everything in the link given in our description. Don't forget to check out. Now I will share my screen from my laptop to show you guys how to apply for this company. So guys, we've come to this page of RBI Recruitment 2020 for consultants and analysts. Okay, so you have to apply online and these are some of the details about the bank. And now just move so these are some of the details about the bank, and just move slide down and these are some more details about experience. Salary again is 33 LPA and job location across India. Application starting date is 3rd August and last date is 22nd August 2020. And here are some of the latest updates and the qualification, some of the data analyst roles and risk analyst roles, and many of the details of the role that you are applying for. You need to go through all these details actually. And now age limit, and finally here is the apply link. So this kind of a page will open up, guys. Just click here for new registration, and if you have already registered in this page, just give here your registration number and then enter your password and then the security code here and then just submit. And if you are not a new user, then just click here for new registration. Okay, so this kind of a page will open up with the first name, then confirm your first name, middle name, then confirm your middle name, last name, confirm your last name and then the full name. And there is your mobile number, then confirming your mobile number, any alternative or landline number if you have, then the email address and the domain name, and confirm your email address. Simply give the security code here and then just save and next. So after save and next, there are more things that you need to fill. That is the photo and signature. As you can see here, after scanning your photo and signature, you have to attach that. and then you have to give some more details and a preview of whole of the things you have given, and the final payment of the application you have to give here, and by this you'll complete the application. So guys, these were the major simple steps of this RBI recruitment 2020. It's a great opportunity, guys. Just apply for this bank and applications. It is only apply online, and the post vacant posts are 39 posts, as I've told you earlier. Thank you. So guys, these were the simple steps you need to follow for applying to this company. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share and comment. Also do subscribe to our channel for getting the latest updates.